Ever wondered what the bird-watching paradise of New England looks like? Welcome to Moose Hillock Camping Resort. Tucked away in the heart of New Hampshire's pristine wilderness, this resort is more than just a camping destination. It's a sanctuary where nature lovers, especially bird watchers, come to feast their eyes on the diverse avian life that calls this place home. Offering spacious RV sites, Moose Hillock ensures every camper's comfort. Each site is equipped with all the necessary amenities, meaning you can enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing the comforts of home. But the real charm here isn't just the top-notch camping facilities. It's the wealth of bird species that frequent the resort's well-maintained grounds. Thanks to the strategically placed bird feeders throughout the park, visitors can observe common backyard birds like chickadees, blue jays, and cardinals in their natural habitat. Imagine waking up to the melodious chirping of these birds, watching them flit about while you sip on your morning coffee. It's a simple pleasure that can be an incredibly soothing experience. But the bird-watching adventure doesn't end within the resort. Moose Hillock is nestled close to the White Mountain National Forest, a biodiversity hotspot teeming with bird species. In spring and fall, this area becomes a migratory path for various bird species, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. A short drive away is the Connecticut River Valley, another treasure trove for bird enthusiasts. Its wetlands attract waterfowl like ducks, geese, and herons, offering yet another opportunity for birdwatching. So, whether you're a seasoned birder with a keen eye or a novice with a newfound love for birds, Moose Hillock Camping Resort is the perfect place to indulge in your passion. Here, you'll not only witness the beauty of New England's birdlife but also experience the joy of connecting with nature. Here at Moose Hillock, we cherish the company of our feathered friends. So, pack your binoculars, put on your birding hat, and prepare to be enthralled by the avian wonders of New England. Our resort is home to a variety of bird species, each with its own charm and allure. The grounds of Moose Hillock are a delightful stage where nature performs its daily ballet, and the performers are none other than our feathered friends. The common backyard birds that grace our resort are the chickadees, the blue jays, and the cardinals. The chickadees with their black caps and bibs, white cheeks, and soft gray backs, bellies, and wings are a sight to behold. Their cheerful chickadee-dee-dee calls echo throughout the resort, creating an enchanting melody that resonates with the peace and tranquility of the surroundings. The blue jays, on the other hand, are truly a spectacle. Their vibrant blue, white, and black plumage is a visual treat. Their unmistakable calls, a variety of squeaky gate sounds and jay calls, add a unique touch to the symphony of sounds in the resort. And then there are the cardinals. These birds, particularly the males with their striking red color, are like flying jewels that add a dash of brilliance to the lush green backdrop of the resort. But these are just the regulars. The resort is also frequented by many migratory birds that stop by during their long journeys. Each season brings with it new species, adding to the diversity and making every visit to the resort a unique experience. From the tiny hummingbirds that hover in the air with rapid wing flapping to the majestic eagles that soar high in the sky, the resort is a haven for bird enthusiasts. And it's not just the diversity, but also the sheer number of birds that is astounding. On any given day, the resort is abuzz with the chirping, tweeting, and singing of hundreds of birds. With each visit, you're bound to discover a new feathered friend. So whether you're a seasoned birdwatcher or a casual nature lover, Moose Hillock offers an unmatched opportunity to explore and appreciate the fascinating world of birds in their natural habitat. Venture beyond the resort, and you'll find yourself in the heart of the White Mountain National Forest, a birdwatcher's delight. Imagine a place where the air is crisp and pure, where majestic trees stretch upwards, their leaves whispering tales of the seasons. This is the White Mountain National Forest, a vast expanse of wilderness that serves as a haven for a multitude of bird species. This forest is a mosaic of habitats, each one playing host to its unique avian community. From the dense, deciduous woods where woodpeckers drum and owls hoot, to the open, high-altitude landscapes where hawks and eagles soar, birdwatchers will find something to marvel at each turn. The forest's avian diversity truly comes to life during the spring and fall migrations. As the seasons change, the forest becomes a vibrant, bustling corridor for migrating birds. The sight of flocks moving in unison across the sky, their bodies silhouetted against the setting sun, is a spectacle that leaves even the most seasoned birdwatchers awestruck. In the spring, you can expect to see warblers in great variety. With their vibrant plumage and melodic songs, These small birds are a joy to observe. Look out for the black-throated green warbler and the yellow-rumped warbler, both of which are common in this region. Fall migration brings its own set of wonders. Thrushes, with their soft flute-like songs, make their way through the forest. The hermit thrush, with its russet tail and spotted breast, is a particular favorite among birdwatchers. But the real thrill lies in spotting the forest's raptors. These magnificent birds of prey, with their sharp talons and keen eyes, rule the skies of White Mountain National Forest. From the agile Cooper's hawk to the imposing bald eagle, each sighting is a pulse-quickening experience. The forest is also home to a number of nocturnal species. As the sun sets and the moon takes its place, the forest becomes a symphony of hoots and calls. Great horned owls and barred owls rule the night, their haunting calls echoing through the stillness. So, whether you're a seasoned birder with a life list that spans pages or a newbie with a newly bought pair of binoculars, the White Mountain National Forest is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Here, in the heart of nature, you'll find a sense of peace and wonder that only birdwatching can bring. From warblers to raptors, the forest is teeming with life. And with each visit, you'll uncover a new layer of its beauty. So come, immerse yourself in the magic of the White Mountain National Forest and let its birds captivate your heart. A stone's throw from our resort, the Connecticut River Valley offers another haven for birdwatchers. This lush region, brimming with life, is a testament to the resilience and diversity of New England's ecosystems. As we journey into the heart of the valley, we find ourselves amidst a verdant landscape of wetlands. These wetlands, a mosaic of marshes, ponds, and swamps, serve as a cradle of life, supporting a multitude of organisms from tiny invertebrates to large mammals. But it's the avian inhabitants of these wetlands that capture our attention. The Connecticut River Valley's wetlands are a watering hole for a variety of waterfowl. As the sun rises, the air fills with the symphony of these birds. Listen closely, and you might hear the honks of Canada geese, the quacks of mallards, and the eerie calls of the great blue herons echoing across the water. The grandeur of the great blue heron is something to behold. Standing up to 4 feet tall with a wingspan of nearly 6 feet, these stately birds are a common sight in the wetlands. They can often be seen standing statue-like in the shallow waters, poised to strike at unsuspecting fish with their long, sharp beaks. Meanwhile, the smaller but no less striking wood ducks add a splash of color to the scene. With their iridescent plumage and distinctive markings, these ducks are among North America's most beautiful waterfowl. They're also one of the few duck species equipped with strong claws, allowing them to nest in tree cavities. Adding to the chorus, the red-winged blackbirds with their distinctive red and yellow shoulder patches fill the air with their throaty calls. These birds are a common sight in wetlands across North America, and the Connecticut River Valley is no exception. But it's not just about the birds that call these wetlands home year-round. The Connecticut River Valley also serves as an important stopover for migratory birds. In the spring and fall, birdwatchers might be treated to the sight of flocks of snow geese, their white bodies and black-tipped wings creating an impressive spectacle against the sky. The wetlands of the Connecticut River Valley are a testament to the region's rich biodiversity. They remind us of the delicate balance of life, the intricate web of relationships that bind each organism to its environment. For birdwatchers and nature lovers alike, this place offers an opportunity to glimpse into the heart of nature, to gain a deeper understanding of the world we share with these feathered creatures. As we leave the valley, we carry with us not just memories of the birds we've seen, but also a renewed appreciation for the wild spaces that sustain them. The wetlands are a testament to the region's rich biodiversity. You don't need to be an avian expert to appreciate the beauty of birdwatching. The world of birds is a vibrant tapestry of colors, songs, and flights that can fill you with wonder and joy. And the great news is that you don't need much to start exploring it. A pair of binoculars, a bit of patience, and a keen eye are your primary tools. Now, if you're wondering where to begin your birdwatching journey, look no further than Moose Hillock Camping Resort. This gem of New England is a fantastic gateway into the world of birds. Its diverse habitats attract a wide range of species, offering a rich learning ground for novice birdwatchers. As you spend time in the park, you'll start recognizing different birds and their behaviors. You'll learn to distinguish a cardinal's call from a blue jay's, or tell a chickadee apart from a titmouse. And with each new discovery, you'll find yourself more and more engrossed in the fascinating world of birds. But birdwatching isn't just about identifying species. It's a way to connect with nature on a deeper level. As you observe these feathered creatures, you also become more attuned to the rhythms of the natural world. You start noticing the changing seasons, the blooming flowers, the rustling leaves, all the little details that make up the grand tapestry of life. So, don't be daunted if you're new to birdwatching. Embrace the journey of discovery and let your curiosity guide you. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every renowned ornithologist started out knowing nothing about birds. What matters is the passion to learn, the willingness to observe, and the love for nature. Every birdwatcher started somewhere, and Moose Hillock is the perfect place to begin your journey. So come, join us in this paradise and open your eyes to the world of birds. It's a journey you won't regret. Ready to embark on a birdwatching adventure unlike any other? Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds singing, the sun peeking through the trees, and the air filled with the promise of discovery. This could be your morning at Moose Hillock Camping Resort. This isn't just a getaway, it's a journey into the wild, a chance to delve into nature, to see the world from a different perspective. It's the thrill of spotting a rare bird species, the joy of capturing the perfect photo, the gentle rustle of wings, the sudden flash of color, the hushed whisper of the forest waiting in anticipation. This is the magic of birdwatching at Moose Hillock. The resort offers more than just a comfortable stay. It's a gateway to the vibrant bird life of New England. From the common backyard birds that flit around the park to the majestic raptors soaring over the White Mountain National Forest, there's a world waiting to be discovered. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert to enjoy it. Whether you're an experienced birder with a life list as long as your arm or a novice who's just getting started, there's something here for everyone. All you need are your binoculars, a camera, and a sense of curiosity. So why wait? The birds are calling and the forest is waiting. It's time to take that step, to venture into the wild, to discover the wonders of nature. It's time to make your own memories, to live your own adventures. It's time for your birdwatching journey at Moose Hillock Camping Resort. Remember, every bird you spot, every photo you take, every moment you spend in nature is a step towards understanding and appreciating the world around us. So come, join Mojo Reviews on this journey. Come experience the magic of birdwatching at Moose Hillock Camping Resort. Nature is calling you.